everyone, welcome to Edukemy's YouTube channel. I am Richa and I'm back with another video. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to address one of the most asked questions while starting UPSC preparation, that is, which subject should I begin with for UPSC CSE preparation? Okay, so it's a very subjective question to which no precise answer can be given because answer to this question lies in aspirants' interest. Nonetheless, I would like to explain it briefly. Okay, so the following are the subjects which covers the major section of the syllabus like history, and you can divide this subject further into ancient, medieval, modern, and plus yes, art and culture like geography, like environment, economy, polity and governance, ethics, and science and technology. So these are the subjects which covers the major section of the syllabus, and yes, each subjects are equally important and eventually you are going to read all these subjects. Okay, however, there is a sequence which you can follow to get a comprehensive coverage of the syllabus. So in this preparation, there are two types of people, and this classification is completely based on my own perception. The first type is who start preparing while in graduation or right after the graduation, and the second type is who start preparing after taking a long gap or after resigning from their jobs. Okay, so my opinion for the first kind of people would be, since you are already connected to your studies, so you can pick any subject which is interesting and plus objective. Hence polity could be something you can start with. Yes, it's a tricky subject in the beginning, but you can read and reread, and this is a topic which gives you a lot of confidence regarding the topics which you read in the newspaper. For example, if you're reading something related to governor's power in the news, you could be immediately able to connect the news with the governor's chapter in polity. Okay, and my suggestion for the second type of people would be, since you have started reading after a long gap, so it would be difficult for you to get start with flair and flow of this reading, so you can pick subject like history, which is like a story, to get into the practice of reading, okay, or to get into the habit of reading. Okay, so but when we talk in general, so generally people they start with this subject polity, and there is a reason behind it. Okay, there is a reason behind it. The first is it is a very dynamic subject. Okay, if your basic concepts of polity is not clear, then you may face some problem in reading newspaper. Okay, and when you will see newspaper, so you will find out that every day there are one or two news related or from this section. And the second reason is it's a very interesting subject. Why interesting? Because it teaches us about the government and its functioning. Okay, so since जो कि हम बचपन से देखते आ रहे हैं, but we never took much notice of it. Okay, so this is about how you can pick this subject, and but it would be objective to believe that ultimately it depends on how and when you have started your preparation. So one has to be very neutral in approach here कि कौन से subject से आपको start करना है, and yes, it would also depends on your choice, your interest, and sometimes the subject of your graduation. Okay, so that's all about this video, and I hope it helps. And to keep yourself updated for more such videos, please hit the bell icon, and thank you very much. Take care.